Hi guys, this is Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and this is my friend Morgan and her sister Allie. Morgan did a video with me a while back, right? And I think I told you you'd lose like 4 pounds in a week.
Yep.
And you lost
6.5.
You lost 6.5. So that was the first video we did, and she looks great, so she doesn't have to do this all the time, so she's off and on doing it. So she did another kit last week, and what'd you lose? 6.5 again. And then Allie is her sister, so she's been doing it, and then she brought Allie, and Allie did it last week, and how much did you lose last week?
4.5.
4.5. Okay, look at them, guys. They're not overweight. They're not. This is just to show you that Healthy Treats Market works. The meal kit, stay here, guys. Real quick, hold on. This is what the meal kit looks like if you want to, is that good? This is what the meal kit looks like. So for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, it just shows you can have cake and chocolate and smoothies, and you can have burgers and wraps. And at the end of the day, you're only at about 1,000 calories and 12 net carbs. And that's why this works, guys, okay? Because it's not just clean eating, it's not just low carb, it's also low calorie, and we try to do lower fat and higher protein. That's what makes us different from keto. So I just wanted to share this video to show you about Allie and Morgan, and if you're interested, come see us. We're in the Davison Farmers Market Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 5. And if you don't live nearby, visit HealthyTreatsMarket.com. You can message me, especially if you're going to place an order online, message me so I can help you place the right order for you. Okay, guys? We love you so much. Thanks for watching. If you guys want to see me, no? All right, the food is delicious too. That's a good thing about it. You can actually stick to it, all right? We love you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.